There is nothing quite as gut-wrenching as feeling your transmission slip. You step on the gas, the engine revs up, but the car just does not move the way it should, or it slams into gear with a harsh thud. It feels like your wallet is about to take a massive hit. If your diagnostic tool pulls up the code P079D, it means transmission friction element D slip detect. Now, do not let the technical jargon scare you. Inside your automatic transmission, there are various clutches and bands that hold and release gears. The computer calls them elements, and in this case, element D is slipping. The computer noticed that the input speed and the output speed for that gear did not match up, meaning something inside is spinning when it should be holding tight. While this sounds like you need a transmission rebuild, hold your horses. The very first thing you need to do, and I cannot stress this enough, is check your transmission fluid. Automatic transmission fluid, or ATF, is the lifeblood of the system. It is hydraulic fluid. If the level is low, there's not enough pressure to clamp that friction element down, and it slips. Pull the dipstick if you have one, or use the check plug procedure for your specific car. Is the fluid bright red, or does it look like dark burnt toast? If it smells burnt or looks black, you might have internal wear. But if it is just low, topping it off with the correct specification of fluid might solve your problem instantly. And here's a curveball that most people never think about. Check your tires. Yes, your tire. Modern cars are incredibly sensitive. If you have mismatched tire sizes, or if one tire is severely underinflated compared to the others, it creates a difference in rotational speed that travels up the driveline and confuses the transmission computer. It thinks the transmission is slipping, but really, the wheels are just spinning at different speeds. I have seen people replace transmissions only to find out the code came back because they had a different brand of tire on one corner. So verify your tire pressures and make sure all 4 tires are the same size and wear level. Also, inspect the wiring harness going to the transmission. Road debris, water, or just age can corrode the pins on the main connector, causing signal dropouts that look like a mechanical failure. If you have checked the fluid, the tires, and the wiring, and the code persists, you might be dealing with a worn-out clutch pack or a bad solenoid inside the valve body. But always start with the basics. Fluid and tires are cheap. A new transmission is not. Take your time, be thorough, and you might just save this one without a rebuild.